Good day everyone, this is JB Troy Acaso from the BSFT 1A. Today I'll be discussing about homogeneous mixture, heterogeneous mixture, a compound, and an element. So what are we waiting for? First is heterogeneous mixture. So what is heterogeneous mixture? Heterogeneous is a type of mixture that is not evenly distributed or can be easily distinguished. For example, a ding-dong snack. Here's a ding-dong snack. Makikita natin lahat ng components na naandun. Like green beans, peanuts, and corn beans, and etc. How about homogeneous mixture? In homogeneous mixture is a type of mixture that is uniform. Or nakikita natin yung isang mixture pero hindi natin alam lahat ng andun na components niya. For example is this salt and water. Nakikita natin siya kasi it's clear lang na para lang siyang water but hindi natin nakikita kung ano pang mixture na andun. Like it has like salt. And that is heterogeneous and homogeneous mixture. Let's move to compounds and elements. Okay, what is an element and a compound? An element is a pure substance that is only made up of one atom, while a compound is a mixture that a combination of two or more elements. Here is an example of an element. A. Aluminum foil. Aluminum foil is only a pure substance or a pure element that is an aluminum. And for a compound, we have a glass of water. Water is a combination of elements that is oxygen and hydrogen, which is H2O. And that would be all. Thank you for watching. This is JB Troy Acaso from the BSFT 1A.